Hello everybody. My name is Chance, and this is Everything Animation, a channel dedicated to answering every question that you may have about every part of the animation industry. Today, we're going to be talking about how a VFS year is structured. The year is split up into 6 terms of 2 months each. The first 2 terms are general classes, where you're going to be learning about a whole bunch of stuff, including 2D animation, 3D animation, modeling, visual effects, texturing, the history of visual effects and animation, lighting, cameras, rigging, team building, and there's also a life drawing class where you get to see lots of naked people and you get to draw them. It's interesting. To end of term 2, you're also going to need to know what your demo reel is going to be. You're going to pitch 3 different ideas based on which stream you think you want to be in. If you don't know which stream, you go into the presentation just saying that you don't know which stream, present all the stuff that you've done up to that point, and give some general ideas. Maybe you like sharks, or you like forests, or you like robots, or whatever it is, and they'll help you come up with an idea for a demo reel based on that. Now, term 3. There's still going to be a lot of general classes, but you're now going to be doing some stream-specific classes. So that means if you chose modeling, then you're going to be doing some advanced modeling classes, and you're going to have like a ZBrush class, which is what I had. Then I ended up switching to the animation stream in term 4. Speaking of term 4, you're finally going to be in the studio. You're not going to be skipping from classroom to classroom, different computers all the time. You're finally going to have a set computer that is your computer until the end of the year. And this is when you really get into doing your demo reel and really advanced stuff based on your stream. So you're going to be having an industry mentor. It's pretty late because these industry professionals who come, they're just coming after work, and they're going to help you with your demo reel. They have quite a few students to look at, so you got to have your stuff ready, and they'll help you out. I'll talk more about that different episode. So in terms 4 to 6, you're going to be having these midterm presentations for your demo reel, presenting your progress, first of all, at the midterms to the teachers, who are going to kind of let you know whether you're on the right track. Maybe they'll make some changes, because not all your teachers get to see all your work throughout the term while you're working on it. So this is a chance for all of the teachers to get some of their opinions out there, and maybe help your film or demo reel improve in some way. At the end of term 4 to 6, you're going to be having a presentation. The one at the end of term 6 is a little bit different because it's called Fresh Meat, and that's for another video. But generally, at the end of terms 4 to 6, you're going to be presenting to your class and also the teachers. And if someone has something to say, maybe suggestion, it's kind of open for people to help you improve. Now, if you can't take criticism, watch my video on how to help you take criticism, because that is how you improve. It is super important to have these presentations. Don't be too scared of them, because it's not an attack on you. Everyone is trying to help you make the best film you can possibly make. You have to have your demo reel done and rendered by the last week of school. Then you're going to work with the VFS professional sound designer, who's going to help you add music and sound effects to your film. About a month after your classes are finished, there's going to be a big presentation where everyone that managed to finish their demo reel and finish most of their assignments at least are going to graduate, and their film or their demo reel is going to be presented to anyone that the classmates want to bring. If you want to bring your family, your friends, some people from the school in different programs, everyone is pretty much invited to come along and view everyone's demo reel from that graduating term. Then after you have this graduation in another VFS campus, you eat some food, have some drinks, and you've graduated. And now it's up to you to find a job. Good luck. And if you want some help with that, subscribe to the channel maybe. If you have any questions about the animation industry or animation schools, let me know down in the comments down below. I'll answer them there or in a video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to smile. I think I did that one right.